Hello, my name is Kayla Castelli, and I'm currently a student at Stockton University, where I'm studying to become an elementary or middle school teacher. This is my portfolio, and it includes my resume, which is found right here, some more information about myself, some artwork, my latest accomplishments, some assignments I've completed at Stockton University, and my philosophies as a future educator. As you'll see, I have included some assignments that I've completed. Specifically, these are 15 projects that I put a lot of effort into making for my educational technology class. Some of these include quizzes, web quests, and other websites I can use with my students as a teacher. Below is my teaching philosophy, and it includes 4 focus points that I'd value as a teacher, those being motivation, reinforcement, diversity, and technology. Beneath that, you'll find my contact information. I'd love to hear from you. I believe my past experience with children, my growing education, and my skill set will make me a great addition to your school or organization. Thanks for taking the time to review my portfolio, and I hope to hear from you soon.